This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Josiah Davis. Superb opportunity to own near the University of South Florida. This beautiful and fully furnished, 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo with an attached garage has it all. New roof currently being installed, newly serviced water heater, 1-year-old AC unit, newer window treatments, crown molding throughout an updated kitchen with all stainless steel appliances. First floor master bedroom has a spacious closet and all bedrooms have remote-controlled ceiling fans. Vinyl fenced-in back porch area allows for a relaxing environment or leisure entertaining. Brand new and included washer/dryer are located in the garage with plenty of space to park or convert to a game room. Excellent amenities include swimming pools and tennis courts, with RV/boat storage available. This great community is conveniently located near I-75, I-4, I-275, which allows you to navigate the Tampa Bay area and enjoy all it has to offer. Only thing needed is your clothes. Contact me ASAP to schedule your showing, as this one will not last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Josiah Davis at 727-502-7632.